All right, guys, we got a beautiful pearl white 2008 CLS 550. They used to call it the teardrop back in the day. Look at it, really nice car. What we got done on it, as you guys can see from the piping, straight piped it. High flow cat there, or stock cat there, then straight piped all the way back, and deleted the rear mufflers also, because why not? Just all the way deleted, kept the stock resin tips out the back because they look good and they're different shape than normal. There and there. There's the two resonators, so you guys don't think they're cats. They are resonators. You see them? They are empty. That's why we cut it off like that. Two of those. Then a second resonator in the middle there. And there's the two mufflers out the back that we cut off. So that's the setup. So when you take it to a muffler shop, they'll tell you, oh, these are cats. They're not. They're resonators. So you can, it's free game to cut them all off like that. All right? And that's what it looks like after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Oh. What do you think? God. That is sick. Again? 3 sound decibels. Again? Oh my God, 118. Go ahead. That's sick.
Crazy how quiet it is.
Yeah. It's the way the engine is designed on these.
That is a big ass car.
That is sick. I like it. He drove 5 hours to get to us, guys, so we really appreciate it. He's out of Kentucky. That's awesome. Beautiful. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Bullet, babe. Woo! Enjoy, guys.